What are the principles of organizing? First one, principle of specialization. According to the principle, the whole work of a concern should be divided amongst the subordinate on the basis of qualifications, abilities, and skills. It is through division of work specialization can be achieved, which result in effective organization. That means when we have to go through the implementation of proper planning in the process, we will be organize that planning process effectively. We required some specialized employees, that means specialization people, that means a qualified and ability, those who has a competency level high. The people are very much useful to the company to organize everything effectively. So that is lead to the organizational achievement of the work, and what we need to fulfill the organization by proper planning or proper organizing system will be achieved by the people who are having a specialization. That is very much important for the organization development. Next, principle of functional definition. According to this principle, all the functions in a concern should be completely and clearly defined to the managers and subordinates. This can be done by clearly define the duties, responsibilities, authority, and responsibilities of people towards each other. Classification in authority and responsibility and relationship helps to achieve the coordination, and thereby organization can take place effectively. As you all know that we just explain what are the functions of what are the functions we need to fulfill. Those we have to explain to the every manager and every subordinates effectively, and also the managers are going to involve into these functional definitions will be explained clearly to the people who are involved into that process. And also we have to give duties and responsibilities. What are the duties the people are going to perform, and what are the responsibilities they have to take. All these we have to be clearly explained to the people who are involved into this action. Those must be clearly understand what are the functions, how could we fulfill, and what is our responsibility and what is our authority. Like we have to clarify in our mind first, then we will be complete the task. And also the authority and responsibility relationship helps to achieve the coordination. When we have to some of the people are involved into the higher level, that means the manager level, they have some authority and responsibility. When we have authority, then that will give to a responsibility. These two are good relationships. When we have to impose authority and responsibility effectively in the organization, which helps to coordinate or coordination, and thereby organization can take place effectively. When we have a better authority and better responsibility to the people who are lead the company, there we should have some coordination to achieve the organizational objectives or goals. Okay, next, principle of span of control or supervision. According to the principle, span of control can span of supervision, which depicts the number of employees that can handle and controlled effectively by single manager. According to this principle, manager should be able to handle what number of employees under him should be decided. The decision can be taken by chosen either pharma wide and narrow span. There are two span of controls are there. These are the other matters. Now we are going to discuss about what is the span of control. We should be understand now. That means according to this span of control, whatever work we have to organize it properly, those work is going to control ourselves. That means we should be control every work and we should focus on the employees, how the people are going to do the work effectively, and we should handle or we should control everything in our control. Okay, that means the principles of so the managers always able to handle the people who are working well and the people who are not able to work well, and people who has performed their skill or people who are not able to perform their skill. Like we have to coordinate everything, and we should have control everything by span of control system and supervision system. Okay, next, principle of scalar chain. The scalar chain is a chain of command or authority which flows from top to bottom. With a chain of authority available, wastage of resources are minimized, communicate affected, overlap of work is avoided, and easy organizing takes place. The scalar chain of command facilitate workflow in an organization, which helps to achievement of effective results. As you all know that the scalar chain is called the chain of command. The people who are number of people are working in the organization, and the people are having a different designations and different qualifications and different talent. According to their talent and their qualifications and their command, we will be prepared designations to everyone. According to their designations, they have from top to bottom. They are from top to bottom. This is called a scalar chain. This is also prepared by the command and then authority, and the people who are in the commanding position, they are going to command the people positively. The people who are receive the commanding, they are also accept the command from our top. Like both of the people are going to respect the chain of command. By that we will be control wastage of resources and also minimized, and also communication affected. When we have proper chain of command, it will have some proper communication. Everyone must be get information regarding any of the decision. Okay, and also we have avoided overlap of work, and also we have to easy organizing to take a place in the organization. The scalar chain command facilitate workflow organization, which helps to achievement. When we have to implement proper chain of command, it will help to achieve the organizational objectives effectively. And next, principle of unity of command. It implies one subordinate, one superior relationship. Every subordinate is answerable and accountable to one boss at one time. This helps in avoiding communication gaps, and feedback and response is prompt. Unity of command also helps in effective combination of resources, that is physical, financial resources, which helps to easy coordination and therefore effective organization. That means here the principle of unity of command is concerned when the people are have some authority and responsibility. When we have to give other to the other person, the person is going to command give some commands to the who are working under him. The people are also respect to the command who will give a command. Like it is also have some if the people have in the superior position, they are giving answerable and accountable to their boss. Like who are having some subordinating place, the subordinates also give answers and accountability to their boss. Like it will help to avoid the communication gaps. Okay, that will show some command or some chain of authority. This will flows the best communication to the every employees. When we have to be involved into the better communication system in our organization, it will leads to the success of the company and achieving organizational goals also. Thank you very much.